All right, guys, we are up here on the old Clark Air Force Base, Air Force City. There it is, straight ahead. Just gonna ride around here. See what? It's been a while. It's been a while since I've been up here. See what kind of storm damage and is going on. You can see, if you can see the trees, some of the tree branches and stuff, they're down all over. Yeah, we're just going to cruise around here and check things out. Wow. Some of you guys said you like this view. The sound should be better today. Yesterday I couldn't put on the media mod with the external mic because it was raining. I'll ruin it. If I ride around with the external mic and the media mod on, I'll ruin it. So today's sound should be much better. Let me know, do you like this view better or do you like the other view better? I've seen a lot of trees down in through here, a lot of branches down. This is open here. It's not like in the city of Angeles where you got, you know, a lot of the buildings are blocking the wind. This is all open here. So you get the wind that just kind of whips through here. Another thing I got to do today, you know, a lot of you guys were saying, you know, oh, go check out the Mazda, go check out the Chevy, go check out the Ford. I'm not doubting you that they're all good vehicles. It's just, I've said this before, it's not part of the big three here in the Philippines. The thing you will run into if you buy not from the big three being Honda, Toyota, Mitsubishi, the thing you will run into is down the road finding parts, and that's the main thing. Can you get parts for those vehicles? Sure, if you have the right connections. I found out you go to the dealers, the only thing they can do is sell cars, change oils, tires, and spark plugs. But yeah, thanks for all your input and everybody's comments about it. That's why when they ship vehicles here to the Philippines, they don't have to meet all the requirements of, say, back in the States or other parts of the world. The requirements here are different. But like I said, thanks for all the input. Somebody else asked me, hey, can you go into the airport there and check out the new terminal? They're not going to let you on the airport unless you have unless you're picking somebody up or you're leaving. They're not going to let you just wander on there right now. From my understanding, they're checking all the paperwork as you enter and leave. Actually, enter the airport. They're not going to let me wander in there. I'm going to like to film the new terminal. They're not going to let that happen. Nice day today. You would think we didn't have a typhoon roll through here yesterday, how the weather is. Another big tree over on the left-hand side. Big branches are down. It's like this stoplight here is down for service. I just love the big old trees here on Clark. I just think they're so cool. All right, I'm going to take a little ride back here. It's back by the old hospital. I always come back here. Sometimes I'll stop, other times I just kind of ride through. I just ride through. You are allowed back here. In case you're wondering. You are allowed back here. You are allowed to walk around back here. Branches down here. The thing is, here on Clark, they have their own maintenance crews that clean up around here. I noticed a lot of the maintenance guys were cleaning up, sweeping up, removing debris. superstitious. Wow, there's a branch down on the swing here, so you can see that. Right straight ahead, a big branch fell down on that power line. Fuso. Never heard of that name brand. Mitsubishi Fuso. Yeah, there's some. Yeah, it looks like there's some branches down back here. Now, will they clean this up? I don't know. I have no clue. I'm sure eventually they'll get to this area. Big branch right there. Like they are bringing cut down branches back here. Right there you can see. They're cutting it up, bringing it back, because those are fresh cuts. Ah, it smells back here. Little hospital. What was that beep? Oh, it's my phone. Entrance, emergency room entrance. A lot of water in there. I'm not going to ride in there. I don't trust the weight of my motorbike in there in certain areas. Don't trust it. Wouldn't that be something, huh? Philly in the Philippines falls through a hole in the old Clark Hospital. Philly in the Philippines, Mad Max. There's somebody over there. Like I say, you can walk around back here. You're not prohibited from walking around back here. Look at that main entrance. There's a tree down, some branches. Got to be careful here. There it is, front entrance. I'm sure the basement's probably completely flooded out. Alright, let's get out of here. Let's head down the road. Alright, we are heading down, I don't know the name of this road. Checking things out. The golf course is to the left and the right here. There's some branches down. See, I was saying about the workers here. There's some workers right there. They'll clean up. They'll just go down and take their time, clean up all the mess here. You know, I seen in Manila. Oh, sad. My heart goes out to them people. They had some major flooding down there. I know some of you guys left comments. You know, I haven't heard from my fiance. Tried to call her, text her. Haven't heard from her. I'm worried about her. Rightfully so. You know, the thing is power. Power's out. I don't know when it's going to be back on down there in Manila. Just major, a lot of flooding. Unfortunately, we didn't get the flooding up here. Just the bad, you know, the bad winds. I'd like to go into Fontana, but they might not let me. Yeah, we just got the high winds up here. Like I said, my heart goes out to them. I've seen videos, pictures. One of the bridges, there's a video going around. I forget what bridge it is down there, but it was bad. You could see through here just everything that's down. You know, these big trees are big and old, and man, they're strong, but that wind must have been just crushing through here to knock this many trees down. We'll go up here. I was told that the water park is open. That's what somebody told me. All right, I got to go left here. I just got to go around. Okay. Power line down there. The guys are working on it. All right, we're coming up on the water park now. Man, wouldn't want to be riding through here yesterday with all this high wind. One of the things on Clark here, you definitely got to obey the rules here. If there's a stop sign, you better stop, because they have people sitting. There's a water park. They have people sitting, and they will pull you over, they will yell at you, and they will give you a ticket. There's no action going on today up here at the water park. Everything's closed up here. I'll get up to this water park one of these days. I go left here. Look at this through here. I always like riding through here because it's just nice and cool as far as breeze goes. They didn't even touch this road. I gotta take it easy. I don't want to ride up on a. There's a sign blown down there. Don't want to hit a big old log in the middle of the road. Go flying off my bike. Follow the path. You know, one of the things here, back in the States when you're riding bikes and stuff, everybody waves at everybody. Here, too many bikes. You'd be waving all day. Alright, before I head to the parade field, everybody likes it when I come to Wagner. The old Wagner. Wagner. They got this all cleaned up. Just come in here and do a little loop. Nothing's open today, guys. All businesses are closed. Well, not all businesses, but all government buildings and schools are closed. Hannah Grace doesn't have school today. So this is a government agency in here, the old Wagner building, Wagner School. So everything is closed. But here it is, Wagner. Wagner. All right, now we'll head down the parade field. All right, here we are. We are up by the parade field. This is the CDC area. This is also closed today. It's government. So it's closed. So Hannah Grace didn't have school, let me think, Wednesday. They yielded. So I can go. Wednesday they got this closed off. Reserved for kids only. Wednesday they called off school, and it was a nice day out. The internet was working, everything was working. Thursday, yesterday, the typhoon came through, so I can understand no school. Today they have Good job, guys. Good job, guys.
Slow down, slow down.
Okay, Kuya. He didn't yell at me. And today, you know, because of the aftermath, and I'm sure there are places here that don't have power. That fell over. The recycling building thing fell over. There's a CDC guy. Security, he didn't stop me. Probably just don't want cars back here. Remember, guys, do it, ask questions later. That actually came out of the mouth of a Filipino, my one landlord. It's like, here, yeah, you just do it, you ask questions later. They're not, here's the thing. Here, they're not going to jump on you, scream, holler, give you a fine. You know, a lot of times they'll just say, you know, they'll just say, oh, you know, you can't do that. Oh, I didn't know. And half the time you don't know. I mean, I just want to turn around here. I want to go to the right here. Half the time you don't know. And that's the thing. I mean, of course, unless you're doing something super illegal, that's a different story. This is Mimosa. Mimosa is I think it's a casino and a hotel. I know it's a hotel. But it's nice looking. I've never stayed there. Just kind of drove through it. Cleanup crews will earn their money. Oh, gate's closed. Can't go that way. Oh, this will bring me out somewhere. See old barns. The old barn house is on the right. Got any damage? Doesn't look like it. I know where I'm at. Doesn't appear. We'll go left here. Fine. Well, my assessment through Clark here is trees down, branches down, leaves down. They'll be cleaning up this area for a while. That's for sure. So, you know, a lot of guys said, yeah, I like this view here. You can see the front area. I said, we can see how fast you're going. Guys, that's in kilometers. Remember, that's not miles per hour. That's kilometers. So you think I'm going 30 miles an hour through Clark here? I'm not. I'm probably doing maybe 10 or 15 miles an hour if I'm lucky. So anyways, I'm going to wrap this one up. I'm going to the bank. Got to go to the bank. Let me stop here quick. Got to go to the bank, talk to them about vehicle loan. Stay tuned. I'll let you know which vehicle we're going up. It's still a toss-up. Somebody said toss a coin up in the air. Heads or tails. Heads Toyota, tails Honda. But anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this ride through. I hope this sounds a lot better. Let me know what you think of this view. Is it a good view, bad view? Let me know. So anyways, with that being said, take care of yourself, take care of each other, take care of the sick, the elderly, and the young. If you have pets, take care of your pets, and we'll talk to you later.